because it's so much cheaper. Like for a while, we would go every 2 years to Miami just to buy new clothes. Like all my
I see. You are not choosing anything
Okay, we look.
again.
1, 2, 3. This one. What do you mean by beauty? Okay. Knowledge will save the world.
It's my message.
Yeah.
But it's same.
Mm.